We explore the future through a vision of innovation.
Welcome to a world of growth, everybody.
Welcome to ZINT Institute.
A place where potential transforms into performance.
A platform to excel, sparking growth and creativity.
We move beyond the boundaries.
Every challenge turns into an opportunity.
Opening doors to a new possibilities.
We dream.
We code.
And we succeed.